beautiful friends. How are you? Patty Dooley here with Tupperware, and welcome. Good to see you again. So good to see you. Well, it is the start of a new month here at Tupperware, and as always, at the start of a new month, we have a new Say Yes offer. So if you've been keeping up with the Say Yes offers, and you've been thinking, I'm thinking about this Tupperware business, I might really want to do this. This might be something for me to earn some extra cash, to get out of the house for a while, to meet new friends, just to have a blast with a new business, then this might be the month for you. If you've been waiting on that, oh, what you call the sweet deal, well, I think this is a sweet deal this month for you. So what do we have this month? Well, our Say Yes offer runs September 1st to September 28th. And guess what we got this month for you? You're going to like it. You're going to love this. We have the MicroPro Grill. Let me find a little logo there. But we have the MicroPro Grill on our Say Yes offer this month. This is just an amazing product to add to your kit because you can grill in the microwave and you can bake in the microwave with this one product right here. I know people see the steel, the stainless steel, and they wonder, oh, can you put that in the microwave? Yes, it's perfectly fine. Nothing's going to happen. But as a new consultant, when you sign up and say yes to Tupperware during this month, you can add this to your grill, to your kit. Then you could go to your parties, and then you could grill hamburgers, shrimp, chicken, fish, all sorts of stuff at a in-home party. Or you could bake them something like a dessert or cherry crumble, hot dips. You can do all of that right here in the MicroPro Grill when you add that to your kit. So you're probably wondering, well, what is the kit and how much is it? Well, the kit is $99, but hang on, come back. The kit is only $39 plus tax down. So that would take care of you getting started today. In that kit, you're going to get all the products that you need, like the Power Chef, Fridge Smarts, a modular mate, the measuring cups and spoon, a spatula, the chef's knife, just the breakfast maker, the quick shake, and other things in there, the impressions bowl. So all of that right there is going to get you started in your business with Tupperware. Along with that, you're going to get the current catalogs and sales brochure, which if you sign up now, you're going to get the fall and holiday catalog that we're starting out this month. And then you're going to get the current sales brochures. You'll probably get a different one than this, but whatever's current at that time is what you will receive. You're going to get a date book. You're going to get an apron. You're going to get all the paperwork that you need, order blanks. You're going to get a carry bag, everything that you need to get started with your Tupperware business in that kit. Along with the kit and along with starting in Tupperware, you're going to get me. That's right, you're going to get me as a team member with you that will help you through a Tupperware business, help you get it started, help you with training and all sorts of stuff, with encouragement, everything that you need to work your Tupperware business. That's what you're going to get with your kit. So once we get your kit, then you get to add the MicroPro Grill to your kit once you get started. And you can get that. Now, the MicroPro Grill is $199. But, yes, this is it. You're going to get it for $45 when you sign up in September. Awesome, awesome deal. That's a huge savings. So you'll be able to add that to your kit. Now you're probably thinking, well, what else? What else do I do with this Tupperware stuff? Well, when you become a new consultant and you do one standard party in your first 30 days, so by the time September 28th rolls around, you can have one standard party. You are going to also be able to add to your kit, and I cannot stress enough how important these products are to your Tupperware business, because they are just amazing products. And I'm going to show you what it is. You're going to get not one, but two of the Fridge Smarts for doing one standard party by September 28th. And these are just amazing because you can be able to talk to your customers about how to save time, how to save money on their produce, how not to throw things away, shop by looking at what you have in here in your fridge and saving that money when you go to the store. So you're going to get 2 complete sets. Use one set as a demo and one set for yourself, so that way you know how to use the fridge smarts as well. So like I said, when you sign up, get your one standard party in and we will work together on that. You get to add 2 complete sets. Let me make sure. Yep, 2 fridge smart 4-piece sets, $168 value, $25 when you get that first standard party in by September 28th. You can get 2 sets for $25. That's like the most amazing deal. This is like super amazing deal. So if you've been wondering about a Tupperware business, if you've been thinking about, Patty, what all does it entail? What do I have to do? I'm not sure, what it is that I need to do. How do I get started? Who do I talk to? How do I book a party? Any of those things, then contact me today at pattydooley@hotmail.com. Or the best way is, if you're on Facebook, then message me on my Facebook business page at TW Patty Dooley on Facebook, and I will chat with you. We can talk on the phone, whatever's easy for you, and I will get you all the information you need and work with you to help you get your Tupperware business up and going so that you can be a great success and that you and I can be team members together. So if you'd like to know more about the Tupperware business, contact me today and I will be happy to get with you. So just come on in and call me, come on in and talk with me. Let's become teammates, and I tell you, you just have a blast. All the people that you meet, all the friends that you make, I cannot stress enough how many wonderful people I have met doing my Tupperware business. So, and matter of fact, when you do team sales and everything else, man, you get all kinds of goodies just for working your Tupperware business, not to mention making money in the meantime. So if that's you, I'm looking for you out there, then contact me today. So you guys have a blessed day, and I am looking forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.